Hey guys, so I want to make a quick video and show you how to use our affiliate program. So again, just to review, it's 50% of the sale. So we have 3 course packages. So we have the online ground school that's $119.99. So if you get a student to sign up with your custom affiliate link, it'll automatically track to $60 to your account, and then once I initiate the payment every couple weeks, it'll be sent to your bank account. And then we have our Pass Our Check Ride, $79.99, so 50% of that would be $40. So if you get students to sign up for that with your custom link, that'd be $40. And then we have a private bundle, which is $179.99, so that would be $90 in your pocket if you get them to sign up for the bundle. And the bundle does save them money in the long term, saves them about $20 rather than buying separately. Okay, so let's show you how to do that. So if you click sign up now, what you're gonna do is you're going to make a account. You want to make your account email, and then a payment email. So this is just the email you're going to get notifications for your payments. So it can be the same as your account email. Website URL is not required, but if you have a website, please enter that. So if you are a flight school or you are a flight instructor with your own website, please enter that. It helps with our tracking. Let us know how you're going to promote us. So if I was a flight instructor, I would just say students will be referred. And then create a password, agree to the terms and service, and then click register. Okay, now it says your affiliate account is pending approval. Once you're approved, you'll be able to access your affiliate area. So if you just go to our menu and go to affiliates and go to affiliate login, you'll have to come down here since you've already made an account and just enter your login information. Now once you're in, you'll be into your affiliate area. Okay, so you have affiliate URLs is the first tab. So you're going to need to generate a custom link to send your students. Now it's very important that you send your students this custom link, that it's custom specifically to you, because that is how we track that you have referred the student and you will get your money. Otherwise we cannot track and we cannot tell whether you refer them or not if your student does not use this link. So make sure you generate this link and make sure this is the link that your students use when they go and purchase. So here is how you create a link. So what you want to do is you want to use our pricing link. So if you go to our menu, private pilot courses, and click on pricing, it'll take you to this page that shows all our courses. Okay, so let's take that link, copy it, and we're going to use that for our page URL. Okay, then you just click down on generate URL, and now it has given you a specific URL link that you can copy and send to your students. Additionally, and it's optional, you can add a campaign name. So if you wanted to track your own sales and say, let's say you had a YouTube and you wanted to post the referral on your YouTube account, you can type in YouTube and then generate the URL, and then it'll see this part right here at the end. It gives you some more tracking information, campaign YouTube, and that way when you come up here and you go to your statistics right up here on this tab, you can see per campaign what you're making. Just some tracking for you. You don't have to use a campaign, but you have to use this custom URL, custom link with your affiliate ID in the link. So make sure you enter our private pilot courses pricing URL here, and then click generate URL, and then use this link here to send to your students, and tell the students they have to use that URL when they go to and purchase. In order to get paid, you're going to need to set up your bank account. So if you go to the payouts tab like I like we are here, you will see that it says you have not connected a bank account to receive payment. So what you got to do is go to the settings tab and enter your payout settings. So the account type, you can click business or personal. You're going to have to enter your country, your name, your last name, and the email you want to use for your payout. Enter your date of birth, agree to the terms of service, and then click register for payout service. That's going to take you to a payout service page, which is a completely secure payout service website that we use to send money to your bank account. So then you'll just come down here and you can enter a bank account or a debit card. Instant payouts cost 1%, so the debit card is going to be a little bit more expensive, so it's cheaper if you want to use a bank account. Otherwise, they take out a small fee for the debit card. So you'll just enter your account holder name, your routing number, and your account number. Again, agree to their terms of service and submit payout details. Once your payout service is set up, I will be able to send you the money that you have created and got from your referrals. And then what you can do also in your affiliate area is you can see your statistics. You can see how many referrals you've got that I have yet to pay you for. You can see the earnings that you have made that I have yet to pay you for. And again, I will do payouts every 2 weeks or quicker. So we'll take about 2 to 3 weeks, so just be cognizant of that. And then you can see your total paid referrals, total paid earnings, your commission rate, and your conversion rate. You can also see graphs that gives you a graphical view of all your payouts and earnings. You can see your referrals. So these will be all the students that you have referred. And then you can see other stuff like payouts and visits. So you can see your payouts if you click there, and the visits, students that have visited, your links but have not purchased will be listed here. So yeah, so that's the affiliate area. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us at team@parttimepilot.com.